Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Once more we are going to look into squares, and we will look into how we can express squares in expanded forms. Okay, so before or previously we have looked at a square. A square is basically a rectangular box that has the same length as the width. Length and the width size is exactly the same. Another thing we looked at is the area of the square. So area of the square is length times the width. Now imagine if width is the same as the length, we could just write length times the length, and that would be the area as well. Now this particular equation here plays an important part, and this also shows us how we express a square in expanded form. So for example, let's say this square that we drew, let's use a different color. This square that we just drew here. Okay, so let me draw it once more. Let's say this is the square. If the length was 2 and width had to be also 2 because it's a square, then the area of the square area, let's write it right under it, would be length times width, which is the same as length times length, which will be 2 times 2, because 2 is our length and 2 is also our width. Now what if instead of 2 the length was 3? What would be the width? Width will also be 3 because it's a square, and in that case the square would be expressed by 3 times 3, or 3 by 3 square. Now doesn't matter what number we put in, we can put any number in as the length of the square. Let's put 11 as the length and the width, and the area is also going to be 11 times 11, and this is known as the expanded form of square. Alright, I hope this was helpful, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.